Raymond Brown's Brickworth Quarry near Salisbury in Wiltshire produces around 120,000 tonnes of soft sand a year, and recent permission to extend the quarry will secure continuity of supply for the next 9 or 10 years. The extension area is currently commercial conifer plantation, home to a wide variety of invertebrates, mammals, birds and reptiles, but it was originally ancient woodland and the soils carry a rich seed bank.
So this site has been wooded for about 600 years. More recently, in the 1950s, deciduous trees were felled and replaced with conifers. So the ultimate restoration scheme for here involves the direct placement of those important soils back for restoration and the ultimate planting of upwards of 25,000 deciduous trees over that period.
With such a mix of habitats and wildlife to protect, the regulatory structure around Brickworth Quarry is complex. Advanced tree planting aims to mitigate temporary habitat lost for the site's dormice, and new ponds have been built for the great crested newts, with over 660 already translocated to compensation areas. Extraction and restoration will be managed in progressive phases over 8 areas of the site. The complexity of timing each phase to allow a consistent supply of sand to be extracted, but also allowing access to the next phase for ecology and soil management, is managed with an extensive Gantt chart.
The compilation of the Gantt chart has then meant that we can achieve an 86% direct placement of poor soils into our phased restoration.
Planting of native deciduous species will extend across the whole site, taking in previous worked and restored land as well as the extension area. In all, some 42 hectares of broad-leaved woodland will be created, a net gain of more than 5.5 hectares.